after Sam Flynn resigns for personal reasons.
Under the Kim sisters' leadership has competitors rushing to respond.
Software giant Dillinger Systems appoints its new CEO, Julian Dillinger, who vows to restore his grandfather's legacy.
The race between Encom and Dillinger Systems heats up as new CEOs Julian Dillinger and the Kim sisters square off.
Here at Encom, we believe the beauty of AI is not the ability to build smarter weapons, but to uplift humanity, feed the hungry, cure the sick, educate the world.
Rival CEOs Julian Dillinger and Eve Kim have gone quiet in recent months, raising speculation the two companies are very close to a substantial technological breakthrough.
One that has the potential to transform humanity in ways we have never seen before. The future may well lie in the hands of whoever gets there first.